Hello guys, this is Accelerate. In this tutorial again we are back with a microwave method that you can use to microwave your clip. It's really easy. Just follow me and open your After Effects, have your clip ready, pre-compose them. Make sure to add tweak store and head tracking. Okay, this and this. Okay, open the last one and gave it a frame blending. Okay, this is the difference. The frame blending is just so important with the smoothing your clip. See, it's so much smoother. Okay, now that you're at this part, the only thing you have to do is to add timing mapping to the clip and just add zoom. Okay, I'm gonna press Ctrl Alt T on the keyboard. It will give us two keyframes. We'll cut the clip to the right length again. Okay, it gives us two keyframes. The things you need to do is copy this keyframe and the last keyframe, put it in middle, and for the end of the clip add the keyframe we just copied. See, it blanks in a second. Okay, because that you just have to go some frames back. Okay, you're done. Now click on. So first keyframe should be this graph and the second keyframe should be this graph. Okay, you see. Okay, now you have to add zooms, adjustment layer. To do that, go to the end of your clip. Okay, for now let's turn it up. Okay, go to effect and preset, type S, blur mode curve, add it to adjustment layer. Okay, I recommend you using this method. Bring the middle keyframe to end and then go into your graph editor. You can see the units here. Okay, you're gonna do 6. Okay, just close the graph editor. If you feel like it's too much, like I feel right now that this is too much zoom for my clip, go back to graph editor, select your keyframe, go back to graph editor and then select it. Just bring this higher. The higher you put them, the lower the zoom will be, and try to make them like the same height. Okay, okay, this is very better. Now just put this to end and add motion blur for your clip. Okay, now copy this, copy the adjustment layer. Add the adjustment layer for the last layer too, and we're just done. Okay. Correct the keyframe and bingo. Okay, let's watch our clip. If you like the tutorial, like and subscribe, comment the next tutorial that you like and you want me to teach you guys, and don't forget to turn on the notification and join my Telegram channel for my presets. Goodbye guys. See you at the next tutorial.